My name is Shawnee Grant, and I am the author of Fashion Beyond Borders, Exploring the Global Fashion Industry book. So what made me focus on China wasn't because the fashion was different. It was more so based on getting that overhead cost down so that as a business owner, I could increase my profit margin. That's very important to new business owners because we most likely start off with very little cash as a business owner unless you have an investor or a loan from the bank. So it's very important to keep that price point as low as possible, which led me to manufacturing in China, which led to the book Fashion Beyond Borders, Exploring the Global Fashion Industry, focusing on manufacturing in China. I decided to move to China because why hire a middle person when you can go directly to the source, which is the manufacturer? As a new business owner, it was very important to me to keep my overhead costs down. Actually, I didn't have many options as a new business owner. Instead of visiting China and not really gaining much or being limited on the time I had to source factories, I decided to take my time by moving there and giving myself a full year to learn the market, source factories, to source ethical factories, and really master international trade. My journey living abroad, teaching manufacturing and learning manufacturing was very exciting, and it also had its difficulties. Just like any business owner and any entrepreneur, there are many obstacles along the way. And the most important thing that I've learned is to learn the difference between defeat and temporary defeat. Take breaks when you need them. What made me write the book was it started off as a curriculum. I received an offer from New York University Shanghai location to teach a summer curriculum for Fashion Beyond Borders, Exploring the Global Fashion Industry. It's a summer course, which is a career training course to prepare students to learn how to design and manufacture their clothing brand. And once I taught that course, I realized that a lot of my students took notes, but some had notes better than others, and some were left with a lot of questions. So that led me to publishing a course book to match the curriculum for the students. However, it's in the form of a novel, so most people think that it's a book, just a pickup book that you could read, but it's actually a course book that matches the curriculum that my students take to class. So that's how the course book came about. I would like readers and viewers to continue following Fashion Beyond Borders, exploring the global fashion industry as I continue to explore the globe and share many factories from different countries, from America, Asia, as well as Africa. Continue to follow the journey so that you too can learn about many cultures, many manufacturers, and many business connections in case you move or live or visit to those countries. So edition 1 focus was mainly China. That's where all of the manufacturing took place. So the cool thing about edition 2 is it will focus on Africa. So expect to learn about manufacturers in East, West, and South Africa, tailors, and just African fashion. My plans for future books would focus on international trade. It will still focus on manufacturing also, but mostly international trade. So as time goes by, other than Fashion Beyond Borders, exploring the global fashion industry, I would love to share knowledge on how to do business in different countries. Currently, I am mass producing personal protective equipment and medical devices and selling to the United States government. So you too, as a reader for Fashion Beyond Borders, can learn invaluable tips on how to manufacture the product of your choice and learn how to get your product into stores globally.